Welcome back. In the first part, we explored 7 websites that offer opportunities to make money online. Now let's dive into the next 8 platforms that can help you earn cash from the comfort of your home. Number 1, GG2U. GG2U is a platform that rewards users for engaging in various online activities such as gaming, taking surveys, and watching videos. It provides a fun and interactive way to earn extra income while participating in activities you already enjoy. Users can explore a wide range of tasks and activities tailored to their interests, with each completed task earning them rewards. While payouts may vary depending on the task and the effort invested, many users find GG2U to be a convenient and enjoyable way to earn some additional cash in their spare time. Number 2, Open Class Actions. Open Class Actions offers users the opportunity to participate in class action lawsuits and potentially receive compensation for their involvement. By joining open class action lawsuits, users can contribute to legal matters while also earning money for their participation. While the payouts for individual cases may not always be substantial, participating in open class actions can be an intriguing option for those interested in legal matters and seeking additional sources of income. Users should keep in mind that the amount of compensation received depends on the specific lawsuit and the extent of their involvement. Number 3, Yugov. Yugov is a market research company that rewards users for sharing their opinions through surveys on various topics. Users can sign up to participate in surveys covering a wide range of subjects, including politics, consumer products, and current events. Each completed survey earns users points that can be redeemed for rewards such as gift cards, cash, or charitable donations. While individual survey payouts may be modest, participating in Yugov surveys offers users a simple and straightforward way to earn extra money online while sharing their thoughts and opinions on important issues. Number 4, Connect by Cloud Research. Connect by Cloud Research is an online survey platform that offers cash rewards for participating in diverse research projects. Users can take part in a variety of research activities, including user testing, opinion polls, and market research surveys. By sharing their opinions and insights, users can contribute valuable data to research projects, while also earning money for their participation. While opportunities may vary depending on the availability of research projects, Connect by Cloud Research provides users with an easy and convenient way to earn some extra cash in their spare time. Number 5, Fetch Rewards and ReceiptPal. Fetch Rewards and ReceiptPal are mobile apps that reward users for scanning their shopping receipts. By simply taking photos of their receipts after each purchase, users can earn points that can be redeemed for rewards such as gift cards, cashback, or charitable donations. Both apps use the receipt data for market research purposes, allowing users to contribute to valuable consumer insights while earning rewards for their everyday purchases. While individual earnings may be modest, using Fetch Rewards and ReceiptPal offers users a hassle-free way to earn some extra cash while shopping. Number 6, Vloo. Vloo is a platform that pays users to watch videos and provide feedback on various forms of entertainment content, including movies, TV shows, and games. Users can earn rewards for sharing their opinions on the content they watch, making it a fun and interactive way to earn some extra income. While payouts may vary depending on the length and complexity of the tasks, many users find Vloo to be an enjoyable way to make money doing something they already love. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or a TV enthusiast, Vloo offers a unique opportunity to earn rewards for your entertainment preferences. Number 7, Instagc. Instagc is an online rewards platform that offers users various opportunities to earn money, including taking surveys, watching videos, and completing offers. Users can earn points for participating in these activities, which can then be redeemed for gift cards, PayPal cash, or other rewards. While individual payouts may be relatively low, Instagc provides users with a flexible and convenient way to earn some extra cash in their free time. Whether you're looking to earn rewards for your opinions or simply want to make some extra money online, Instagc offers a range of opportunities to suit your preferences. Number 8, content creation. Lastly, consider content creation as a long-term income opportunity. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, blogging, or creating other types of online content, there are countless ways to monetize your creativity and expertise. By building a loyal audience and leveraging various monetization methods such as advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, content creators can generate a steady stream of income over time. While content creation may require dedication and effort, it offers unlimited potential for earning money online and turning your passions into profit. There you have it. 8 more websites that offer opportunities to earn money online. Whether you're interested in surveys, research studies, or content creation, there's something for everyone. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on making money from home. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.